In this video, we're taking the text agent exactly as it was in the first video of this series. That means we're simply replacing the HTML with a task pane in Excel. You open Excel, click on the integrated function, and the agent appears on the right-hand side, ready to work. We click on a cell, head over to the task pane, and here we have the same functions. Let's start with the offline version. Click Use Selected, and then Improve. Of course, the online version also works, connecting directly to OpenAI for that extra AI magic. And how does the whole thing work now? To keep things simple, we'll use a template. I'll show you how to install it and create your very first project. It's super easy, no wizardry required. For this, I like to use the Yo generator. If you already have Node.js installed, you can install it like this. After the installation, we create a directory where we want to generate the project. Of course, you can also do this through the Explorer, but this way it's simply faster. Then we start the program Yo Office. You can do quite a lot with it, but in our case, we'll keep it simple. Choose Office Add-in Task Pane Project, then JavaScript. Now we give the whole thing a name, something short and memorable, and let the generator do its magic. It will set up all the files, folders, and boilerplate code we need. Select Excel. This part takes a little while, so it's the perfect moment to grab a coffee or just sit back and watch the progress bar slowly crawl to victory. This setup is mainly for development. With the same tool, you can also create a production build. From there, the manifest file can be uploaded to Office 365 by an administrator, and once that's done, the add-in runs live and ready for all users. Now, after starting the project, we can immediately see the integration in action. For this first run, the most important parts of the project are the manifest file, the logo images, and of course the core files, the JavaScript and the HTML for the task pane. In the JavaScript file, we set up the connection to our text agent, and in the task pane HTML file, we place the buttons. It's essentially the same structure as in the HTML from the last video, just formatted a little differently. In the JavaScript file, alongside the function call to the API, we also have the button functionality, nothing fancy. In the HTML part, we define the buttons and labels. And that's it. Your AI text agent is now living inside Excel. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech builds, and drop a comment if you've got questions or ideas for the next one.